On 17th of March, new batches will get launched at Unacademy. So here you will find all the best educators in one platform. Now if you look at this batch, this is a batch particularly for SBI Clerk 2021. So if you are aiming for this exam, you should definitely take this batch. Then this batch is for CET exam 2021. Then you have batches for SBI PO 2021 and IBPS PO 2021. Foundation batches are also there. Foundation batch for all SBI exams. Now in this batch, all the topics will be covered from the very basic. That is, if you are a complete beginner, a novice in this area, you should take up this batch, foundation batch for all SBI exams. Now the next batch, Target SBI PO. Now this batch is going to be in vernacular language. Okay. Also, there is a test, an academic combat test, which is conducted every Sunday. So again, on this Sunday, this test will be conducted. So I want all of you to enroll for this. The link will be given in the description box. If you are going to use Unacademy for the first time, use coupon code Annie while enrolling. And here, if your rank is good, if your performance is good, you will get a chance of winning 1 crore rupees. And not only this money, you will also get free Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, use coupon code Annie for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. Now you can use this coupon code Annie for all the categories available like bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CAT, JE. For any category you can use this coupon code Annie. Also there is a combo pack SSC plus bank. So if you want to prepare for both these exams together, you should take the combo pack. Okay. So guys, SBI PO final result is out. So congratulations to all of you who have got selected. And regarding my result, so I checked the PDF, the list of roll numbers of candidates who have got selected, and my roll number is not there. So I'm not selected, guys. Okay, so of course I am feeling miserable right now. I had a morning session with you at Unacademy. I have cancelled that session today because I'm in no position of taking classes. Okay, so my interview was good. It was really good. I had posted my interview, SBI PO interview experience on Unacademy live session, that is special classes, free session. It was good. Probably I could not perform well in the paper, or I don't know how much they marked me. I'm not sure. So as soon as I get the scorecard, I'll share it with you. Regarding my future plans, well, I want to prepare for FCI AGM exam. I don't want to give up because giving up is never an option. Okay, so this video, I'm shooting this video, and the purpose of this video was to be positive. So guys, please be kind, okay? Please be kind. Don't pour negative comments here. And those who have got selected, congratulations to you. All the best for your future, and congratulations not only to you but also to your family. Okay, so yes, I'll see you again in my next video, but today really I won't be able to take any class on YouTube. Today at 2:30 p.m. I have a practice session on reading comprehension for you. So yes, so please attend the session. It will be a free live session. The link is given in the description box. So also regarding my future plans, I have decided to attempt TOEFL exam, and let's see. I was planning for applying for PhD. abroad. So if I get a chance, probably I'll go. I'm not sure right now whether I'll be applying or not. So like lots of things are coming into my mind, lots of options are coming into my mind. Let's see what happens. But for sure I'll give the TOEFL exam probably in 2 months. I'll take some time to prepare and give the exam. I'll take the exam. Yep. So okay, bye guys. Bye. Thank you.